In this video, SuiteTrails takes you on an exploration through 5 exquisite hotels located within Roissy-En-France. France, witness the charm and sophistication of these accommodations as we unveil their unique features and breathtaking surroundings. Stay tuned.
Remember that you have the links to all the accommodations in the description.
Hotel description: nestled at the heart of Charles de Gaulle Airport, this modern accommodation stands as an ideal base for travelers seeking convenience and comforts, situated within easy reach of both Terminals 1 and 2. Guests can enjoy a seamless journey through the bustling terminal network via the complimentary CDVAL automated metro line. Just a brisk 1-minute stroll away, visitors find themselves close to Terminal 3, ensuring optimal accessibility throughout their stay. Each of the spacious guest rooms boasts state-of-the-art amenities designed for luxury and comfort, equipped with flat-screen TVs featuring a variety of satellite channels. Each suite includes a minibar, enhancing the overall experience. Each suite includes a minibar, enhancing the overall experience. Premier Class Roissy, conveniently located near Charles de Gaulle Airport, offers spacious and suite accommodations just 2.8 kilometers away. Guests enjoy access to complimentary Wi-Fi and an attentive 24/7 front desk. Each room features an air-conditioned setting and a flat-screen TV equipped with an inbuilt alarm clock. Special accommodations for guests with mobility issues are also available. The property boasts a bright buffet breakfast area serving delicious options throughout the day, along with vending machines offering refreshments. A dedicated night reception rounds off the amenities. In addition to the hotel's own facilities, visitors may purchase newspapers in the lobby. The Paris Marriott Charles de Gaulle Airport Hotel stands as a beacon of elegance and convenience, nestled within easy reach of one of Europe's busiest airports. This luxurious accommodation promises a memorable stay, offering spacious guest rooms, impeccable service, and unparalleled accessibility. Each room at the hotel boasts state-of-the-art amenities, including modern bathrooms, satellite television, and high-speed Wi-Fi. Can expect a comfortable night's rest thanks to the hotel's signature Revive bedding, ensuring a restful slumber amidst the bustling airport environment. This newly renovated Citizen Hotel stands near Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport, offering convenient proximity to Terminal 3. Its prime location makes it easily accessible by foot. Within just 3-minute stroll, guests enjoy a 24/7 concierge service, luggage storage facilities, and comfortable air-conditioned accommodations equipped with a king-size bed and a powerful rain shower. Each room includes high-speed Wi-Fi, allowing residents to control various amenities through an included iPad or the complimentary Citizen app. This sophisticated setup enables guests to adjust lighting, blackout curtains, window treatments, thermostat settings, and even television and radio channel preferences. Paris Roissy CDG Airport, situated in Roissy-En-France, offers an ideal escape from the city center, just 10 miles north of the iconic Stade de France. This charming property combines modern comfort with elegant amenities, making it a perfect choice for those seeking both relaxation and adventure. Upon arrival, guests will find themselves greeted by a welcoming atmosphere, complete with a cozy bar and a delightful restaurant serving authentic French cuisine. Each room at Paris Roissy CDG Airport boasts luxurious facilities, including a spacious closet and a private bathroom equipped with comfortable toiletries.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.